Essay question: write a letter offering condolences. Essay begins. My dear Tom. It was with a sense of personal loss that I received the sad news of the demise of your grandfather, Mr. Marcus John. He was a great man, and I know how painful this must be for you. I know that he meant a lot to you and you to him. In times of such sudden sorrow is when we must be brave. I would urge you at this time to understand that good people do not pass from us, since they remain as part of us forever. The elder gentleman has left a lot with us. We have gathered a lot of memories from our contacts with him, which we will cherish. Let me in parting say that I shall miss him as much as you. Like you, I will remember all the good memories we have of this great man and friend. My love to all the members of your family. Yours sincerely, Lim Marciu.